Hey guys, so today I will be recreating this makeup look that I did in my other video, and in this video I will be using the oval makeup brush set from Vanity Planet. There is also a coupon code and a link down below, but I just want to say thank you Vanity Planet for sending me these brushes. So let's get started. I actually get requests a lot to start doing makeup here on my channel, so if you like makeup tutorials, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go click the thumbs up button so I know that you guys are interested and this is something that I should continue to do. But I'm just going to share with you how to recreate that look that I did, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and keep watching. So I'm just going to start out with doing my eyebrows. So it's just going to be really quick. I'm mostly going to focus on the eyeshadow because that is pretty much what this look was. And it's really easy. I'm going to be using this on my eyebrows. This is from NYX. This is the Frame and Tame brow tinted brow pomade. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm not doing anything too crazy. So of course you can do your eyebrows however you like to do them. Okay, so I thought I would just zoom you guys in a little bit. So yeah, I do very minimal. I like to keep my brows looking more, I guess, natural. So this is what I usually do. Then I love to actually conceal them because I think that that makes a huge difference. So the concealer that I absolutely love, I'm sure you guys have seen this before. This is the Maybelline concealer and I use the color Sand. I love this concealer so much. I've been using it for years. Just so you guys know, I'm the type that if something works, I'm just gonna keep using it. So it works well for me. I'm gonna keep using it. So I'm gonna start out with this brush. I think this one's pretty cool. It has, as you guys can see, like this little, like very flat kind of head on it. So I'm going to use that to conceal my eyebrows. Let me get a little bit more. So now for the main part, I am going to conceal my eyelids with concealer, the same concealer I used, and then I'm just going to blend it all out with my fingers. Now, I personally do not use translucent powder to set my eyeshadow. I like to use a nude colored, like an actual nude color, a nude color eyeshadow. So the one that I love is from Wet n Wild. You guys will see they have single eyeshadows and this is the nude one. They only have like a handful of colors. So I'm going to just try out this brush right here. It's really rounded. It's very small, but I'm just going to use that to try to pack on the color on my eyelid. So definitely picks up a good amount of color, and I'm just going to pat it mostly where I crease. That's normally what I do. I really don't like bake with eyeshadow or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. Now for the fun part is my actual eyes, and I bought this palette and I have been obsessed with it ever since I bought it. This is the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, I believe it's called. This is what the palette looks like. Okay, and these are the colors. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I absolutely love them. But two, I know when I was looking at this palette, these two colors look very similar, but they're not. One is a navy color and one is a dark purple color. So that does make a difference. But first I'm going to take the brown color in the shadow, and I'm going to use that on my crease. Then what I'm actually going to do is switch to a more of like a tapered brush. This is dirty, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to go back into that same color, the dark brown color, and kind of more build it up right here. Kind of like right on my crease pretty much. That's going like this. Then I am going to use my fingers and I'm going in with very light color, the light pink color with my finger, and that is going right here, kind of like, I guess, the inner the inner part, and then I'm going all the way out to, I don't know, maybe about like 2/3 of the way. I'm not going all the way. What I did was I went in with the darker pink color to kind of give me a little bit of a transition. And then that's going here on the, it's weird. I'm not going all the way here. I'm bringing it kind of a little bit off-centered so that it's just a little bit more pink here. Then this is kind of like an iridescent color, but it does kind of have a purple in it, and that's what's going on this outer corner over here. Then, which was the most important part I found, was I ended up going in with the dark purple color, and that's what I used to get it to really look purple and kind of pop at the outer corners. Taking this, and that's what's going to pop in the outer corner for color. So yeah, that's pretty good. One right here, this works really well for me. I'm just taking the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is the foundation that I use. And I am in the color 228 Soft Tan. Okay, but the big round one, I've seen so many people do their makeup with these huge round brushes, so I'm expecting this to come out pretty decent. So, well, actually, maybe I will take the largest one. I think I'm gonna take the largest one. Maybe it'll make it easier. So I guess you just kind of go around like this. Actually, it does. It looks really good. Like the texture of my skin looks really good. Let me try this one. Let's see what this does. Okay. Are you supposed to... I don't know why it's not blending it out very well. Because I know when I use the other ones, this blends out really well with other brushes. I feel like because my primer is really slippery, it's like because you have to swipe, it's moving the concealer around. Because normally I use a brush like this and I have no problems. Now I'm just going to highlight and contour and stuff. I am taking this from Pure. This is their Contour Diaries palette. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna just do a very little bit of highlighting and contouring. So we're gonna try out these brushes for that. Try it. Okay, yeah, that's perfect for this. That did pretty good for me, in my opinion, at least. Okay, so what I did first was I'm going to take that brown color again. Taking that brown color, and then I'm taking this very narrow brush, and that's what I'm going to put underneath my eye so that the colors will blend out and they won't look too crazy, but it'll also tie in the color that I put up here. So go ahead and like this. That purple color is going right here by my lash line. Just like that. Then, of course, if you'd like, you can add eyeliner and stuff. But what I did in that specific look, I don't normally do too much eyeliner. So I'm going to take a black eyeliner and go underneath my eyes here. I am taking this highlighter. It's called Blissful from Ofra Cosmetics. It's a very pretty color. Now it is time for my mascara. Let me share with you guys. I'm using the Luminous Lash Paradise. It's pink from L'Oreal. So I'm going to use that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, and be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed.